Is May the 4th a major holiday in your house like it is here in mine? And you're looking for Glowforge Star Wars inspired projects? If so, you're in the right place. Today I've got 4 projects to share with you, ranging from apparel to home decor and one little surprise, and I can't wait to share them with you. Hi, I'm Katie, and this is Things Katie Makes, where I talk all things Glowforge, especially easy projects for beginners, so that you can learn all the things the easy way and cut through the noise to start building the business of your dream. Today I have 4 projects to share with you. There's no tutorial. We're just gonna look at the projects and talk about what materials I used and how I did them. If you're looking for more in-depth tutorials on these, just let me know in the comments so that I know what to film next. Let's get started. All right, the first one is so adorable, and Lisa Potts over at Lisa Potts Design is the one that I learned that you could do this from. I had zero idea that you could use Caesar HTV in your Glowforge. It's laser safe. It says it right there on their website. You can see because of their CPSIA. They have a certification that lets you know that it's laser safe. So you can go onto their website and look at all the different varieties of heat transfer vinyl and find the ones that are laser safe. I used the Caesar EasyWeed to create this adorable little onesie as a gift for some friends. What's amazing about being able to use heat transfer vinyl in your Glowforge is that some of these more intricate cuts that could take forever on a die cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette, or you'd be concerned about them sort of pulling up as the blade runs over the heat transfer vinyl, super easy to do in the laser. Really intricate cuts. I've put the settings that I use down in the description, and I'm also linking to Lisa's video, so if you want to go learn more in detail about how she took these designs into the Glowforge user interface, and head over and watch that video as well. The next project, I was so excited when I saw this SVG designed by my friend Jess over at Embellished Education. She does amazing hand lettering. It's super unique to her. And she knows that I'm a huge Star Wars fan. So when I saw this design available on the Anti-Tay membership, I knew I had to do something with it. And I made a keychain with this adorable hand-lettered R2-D2 design. To make this project, I used white acrylic, which I engraved on the front and then painted with a blue Posca pen. I brought the SVG into the Glowforge user interface, and then I used some of the premium features to create an outline and to create the hole for the keychain. If you'd like to learn how to do that, I have a video here that will show you how to make the outlines and make a keychain. If you're interested in this SVG specifically, you can head over to the Anti-Tay membership link that I have below, and you can learn all about her membership. She has specific Glowforge designed files, but there's also tons of other SVG. If you know how to manipulate them within the Glowforge user interface, you can use this as well. She also has a ton of fonts available, so if you're doing a lot of design, she has commercial licensed fonts. It's a great resource for beginning Glowforge users. My next project was inspired by some papers that I have had lying around for quite some time. Cricut came out with a line of Star Wars inspired papers, and I bought them all when they were all on sale, not knowing what I was going to do with them. And I was talking to my son the other day, and he really wanted a new sign for his room. So I thought, what a great way to use one of those papers. So we designed a sign for his door. What I love about this project is that I used so many different materials, and it came together super quickly. I used MDF for the backer to adhere the paper. I used black acrylic for the outside, and then 2 layers of acrylic for the names. This project came together in under 15 minutes once my designs were complete. This would be a great gift for an older kid or even for a nursery. Last, the project that is the most special to me that I created for this May the 4th celebration is something to hold the lightsaber that my son created when we were in Savvy's workshop in Disney World in 2020, right before the start of the pandemic. So he created this lightsaber, and I wanted a cool way to display it. So I created a lightsaber stand. This project was cool because it really challenged my design ability, thinking about 3D in a 2D world. I designed this in Adobe Illustrator and really had to test how to make sure that the slots fit properly for the plaque, how to get the cradles correct for the lightsabers to sit. I really enjoyed making this project, and it was one that was so fun and personal to me, which is what I encourage all of you to do. If you want to make these lightsabers on your own, there's a link to the file in my description below. If you haven't yet bought your Glowforge and these projects have inspired you to get one, you can use the link below in my description to save up to $500 off of yours. If you've made it to this point, I'd love to know which of these projects was your favorite and which one you think you might try to make first. If any of these you'd want to see a tutorial on how to do them in depth, please let me know in the comments so that I can plan that out for a future video. Now that you're inspired to go make something, the next video I think you should watch is this keychain video that's playing right here. That will show you how to make the outlines within the Glowforge Premium software on any SVG you might want to use. So if you find a different SVG that you want to use, you can easily make it into a keychain, or you can make it into a sign all your own. Happy forging!